Alright, so we're going to be moving on to question 2, work for the study plan, chapter 1. So question 2 says the magnitude of vector A is 5.5. Vector A lies in the second quadrant and forms an angle of 24 degrees with the x-axis. The components of x and y are closest to. So first of all, it's always a good practice to draw out what they're talking about. So just draw out your graph. It says that it's lying. Vector A lies in the second quadrant and forms an angle of 34 degrees with the x-axis. And they want us to find ax and ay. So to do this, just find out the other angle. So that's 34. This is going to be 56 degrees. So let's move a little bit over here. That's fine. All right. So right now, so it says that the magnitude of vector A is 5.5. So 5.5 cosine of the 56 degrees plus 5.5 sine of the 56 degrees. Let's see what we end up with. 5.5 cosine 56. This comes out to 3.07, but they have two six figs, so it's going to be rounded off to 3.1, considering that this is in the second quadrant. Our x value is going to be negative. So little x plus 5.5 sine of 56, 4.6. So our answer is for a of x is going to be negative 3.1, and a of y is going to be 4.6 positive. If we look at our options, a of x is negative 3, and y is 4.6. So our answer is going to be